Hello guys, welcome to my channel SAP Agile Learner. So today we are going to learn about table types in ABAP Data Dictionary. And I hope you have seen my previous videos where we learned about data type, domain, data element. So now let's get started. Open the transaction SE11 and we will see what we developed earlier like structure for example where we consume the custom data element and then we consume the custom domain inside it. So let's open another session to create a table type and enter SE11 transaction and pass here the table type name, for example ZPO double T table type, and click on create button. So it will give you again that pop-up, so you can select the table type here and click on continue. So here you will need to pass the short description first. For example, I am passing J, which is order table type. So in the line type tab, you will find there are three options: line type, predefined type, and reference type. So in the line type, if you want your table type be structure type, then we can enter the name of the structure here. So it can be a data dictionary structure, database structure, or view structure. So enter the data dictionary structure created in the previous tab. For example, ZPO underscore str. So you can pass it here and click on enter. So similarly, you have other radio buttons as well where you can create a table type using predefined type, for example. So if you select this radio button, you can enter one of the data dictionary predefined data types, for example, char, numeric, decimal, and you are then defining an unstructured table type. And if you select the reference type, then you will enter the name of the reference type here. Now next click on initialization and access tab. So in this tab, you can select the table type, standard, sorted, hashed. Then there are two other radio buttons as well, index table and not specified. The field initial number of rows corresponds to the initial size clause when you declare internal table in an ABAP program, so it is optional. Now next click on primary key tab. So here you will find that key definition area like standard key, line type, key components, and not specified. Similarly, you have a key category like unique, non-unique, not specified. So if you select the standard key, it will assign all non-numeric fields to the key. Similarly, you have line type radio button. It will assign all the fields of the structure to the key. Then third, there is a key component. Radio button will enable the screen area key components below and you can select and assign the structure fields to the key. Then there is a not specified radio button. It will enable a runtime key specification. And in the key category, you can select non-unique, unique, not specified as per your requirement. Then another tab is there like a secondary key where you can provide for the information, for example, allowed, not allowed, or not specified. Now let's quickly jump back to the line type table tab and where you provided your structure. So you can, we have passed here the custom structure here. So we can now click on save button to save it. It will give you the pop-up like this and you can select here, for example, local object. And if you have some TR available, then you can save in your TR as well. So for time being, let's click on local object. Now click on the check button, or you can also do it through keyboard like Control F2. So we have checked and you can see no inconsistencies found. Then you can click on the activate button here or do Control F3 from keyboard. So it's saying your object is activated. So in this video, we talked about table type. We provided our custom structure here. You can double click on this and you can then check what's here, what are the available fields here. You can click on back button again. So we developed the table type here using SE11 TCode. And in the coming video, we will be learning about transparent tables in ABAP Data Dictionary. What are the different types of tables available? So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.